So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I filmed this Soft Glam Valentine's Day makeup look for you guys. I absolutely love how this look turned out. I cannot stop looking into the viewfinder. But yeah, so this is what the look looks like. I asked on Instagram again if you wanted to see a couple of looks for Valentine's Day, and most of you again said yes, which made me again really happy. So yeah, I went ahead and filmed this look for you guys. I'll also be doing a bold Valentine's Day makeup look for you guys. That should also be up this week. So yeah, this is what the look looks like. I hope you enjoy it. It was quite simple actually. You can recreate this look with you don't exactly have to use the same palettes that I used in this video, guys. You can use any palette that you have with similar colors. So yeah, so there's that, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, this is my YouTube channel Braunby. Thank you so much for watching this video. So today's video, as I said in the intro, is going to be on the Valentine's makeup look. Now I decided to film two looks this week for Valentine's Day, one being the soft glam and one being more on the bolder side. So yeah, that is what we are going to do. So in today's video, it's going to be more on the soft glam side. So I've already started off by prepping my face using the same two things that I use every single time. The Estee Lauder moisturizer, Day Wear moisturizer, and the LA Girl Pro HD primer. These are the two things that I always use to prep my face. And if you are somebody who is going to celebrate Valentine's Day, or somebody who in general is going to wear makeup for a night out and anything, I would always recommend you to use some sort of a face pack on your face before you start off with your makeup. That way your skin is like completely smooth, it's prepped, the foundation is going to sit beautifully on your face. So that is what I would recommend to you. So I've already used a face pack on my face. You can use any face pack, guys, anyone that suits you, or a sheet mask, or if you're like in general out of face masks, just grab honey from your kitchen and just apply it on your face for like 10-15 minutes, and then you're good to go. So yeah, do that, and then I apply the moisturizer and the primer. So I would recommend the same to you. Now my face is completely ready for the foundation. So in today's video we are going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. This is absolutely good foundation, guys. I mean, every video it's the same thing. Oh, this is absolutely good foundation, guys. Oh, this is absolutely good powder, guys. Oh, this is absolutely good bronzer, guys. I have to work on my script. I have to. Anyways, I do absolutely enjoy using this foundation. This is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and my shade is 06 Sand Beige. So I am going to use this foundation, put it all over my face. This is a very thick foundation, guys. This foundation is definitely a very full coverage kind of foundation. I mean, come on, you're going on a Valentine's Day like with your partner, you have to have that full on face, full on like thick foundation, full coverage foundation, because you never know, end of the night, like you know what I'm saying. So I'm just going to take this, I'm going to dot it all over my face, the usual. Also this shade has definitely a yellow undertone to it. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. So I know that not many enjoy a foundation which has a yellow sort of undertone in it. So yeah, blending away the foundation. Don't worry if this seems lighter. Once I blend it out and once I have my concealer and my bronzer going on, it will be good. Trust me, it will be good. Oh, look at that coverage. Oh my god. Also ignore the pimple because it's that time of the month, and if I don't already feel pathetic about myself, here's a little pimple to help me out. Alright, so we have a foundation on our faces. We have foundation on our face. So next we are going to go ahead with the concealer, and the concealer as usual, the same concealer every time. So this is the Maybelline concealer in the shade Neutral. I mean, look at this. I'm almost done with this concealer. That's how much I love it, and I have a backup as well, so you know the dedication is there. So I am going to take this and conceal where it needs concealing. Oh yeah, I'm going to quickly set it with powder, and I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution luxury powder in banana. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it all over my face before this concealer creases into those lines. I hate when the concealer gets into the creases of my eyelids, guys. So annoying. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to also bake with it, apparently. So, and then I'm also going to use the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette. A very nice palette, guys. I also filmed one eye makeup look using this particular palette. I'll also link it in my description for you. If you're interested, you can just go and watch it. So I'm going to start off. I've already used powder to set my eyelids as well, so we are directly going to go into the transition shades. So yeah, I am going to take these two shades and I'm going to put it all over my crease. So the way I do this is I usually hold my brush at the end like this with a very light hand, because I don't want my eyeshadow to be harsh, so I want it to be as blended as possible. So doing this, make sure that you're putting down your foundation good as well as blending it out. So I'm going to do that. So yeah, we have our crease going on. I think it's pretty good. So I've also put down, so once I've done that, guys, I've also put down some powder right over here. I don't, not exactly for the sharpness of the eyeshadow look, but to make it sort of clean. Make sure that it doesn't come out below this line over here. So that is what I did. So next up, I'm going to take the palette again, and I'm going to take a smaller brush, and I'm going to take a darker shade in this. So I think I'm going to go ahead with this eyeshadow right here. So I'm gonna, this shade is pretty dark, so it will give us some depth. It will add some depth to your eyeshadow look. So yeah, I'm going to take that eyeshadow and I'm going to put it right below where we put that crease shade. So halfway in, and I am going to, yeah. So once I've laid down where I exactly want the eyeshadow, I am going to take a clean blending brush. So I'm going to take a brush, something like this, and then I'm just, this is a clean brush, there is no product on this brush, and I'm going to blend those two eyeshadow shades that we put down, and I'm going to blend them together. And I'm going to go into the first brush that we used, the brush that we used to put down our transition shade. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. Yeah, I'm going to take that brush and I'm going to go over it once again. Now I'm going to take the same brush that I used to put on my second eyeshadow, and I am going to go into a bit darker shade, and I am going to use this color right here. And I am going to put it over the second eyeshadow that we laid down. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I've done that. So I'm going to move on to the next eyeshadow that I'm going to put on my inner corners. That is why I put it blank purposefully. So the eyeshadow that I'm going to take is the this eyeshadow. I mean, it looks so good, guys. Look at that. This is, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this does look kind of good on its own, definitely. But if you want that extra like oomph kind of effect, you can go back and spray. I'm just gonna use my Illegal Pro setting spray. I cannot speak today, guys, like I cannot. So I'm just gonna spray my brush a little and then go back into the eyeshadow and pack it on my eyelid. And then I'm just gonna take my clean finger and I'm gonna blend this two out. So hi guys, I'm so sorry my camera just switched off. So what I did was once I blended out my lower lash line using the two eyeshadows, I also went into Morphe 35F palette and I added this sort of purple, sort of pink kind of eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So this is the palette. This is the 35F palette and I have used this. I've used this shade right here and I've put it quite close to my lower lash line and I just brought it halfway in. So that is what I've done, which did not record in the camera. I'm so disappointed with that. So that is what I've done. So next on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. I am going to put down mascara, I'm going to put on some false lashes, I'm going to put on some eyeliner, and I'll be right back. So hi guys, welcome back. So I've applied my false lashes, did my eyebrows and applied mascara and eyeliner as well. Now we are finally going to move on to our faces, finally. So I'm going to start off by bronzing my skin using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronzer. So I'm going to take this and apply it to give my skin some sort of warmth and dimension. So once we have done that, I'm going to move on to my favorite part, which is the highlighting part. So I'm going to take the which one should I use today? So I'm going to take the Smashbox X Casey Holmes highlighter in gold, Spotlight Gold palette. Oh my god, this is what the palette looks like. So the way that I usually apply this is I mix in all three. So I just run my brush across these three shades. I'm going to tap it off. And I'm gonna once we are done with the highlighting part, finally we are going to go on and move on to our lips. So for the lips, I'm going to use the new Maybelline liquid. What is this? This is the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink and I'm going to use the shade 30 Romantic. So I'm just going to take this. This sort of smells like MAC lipsticks. You know that sweet smell that all MAC standard smell that MAC lipsticks have? Yeah, so that is what this smells like and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my lips. So hi guys, I removed that lipstick because I really didn't feel that it went with the whole look and it was way too bright. I thought it would be kind of muted, but it was way too bright for this look. So instead I'm going to take the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Trophy Wife and I'm gonna use this on my lips today. So way better. I'm also going to top this off with the gloss that this came with, Lip Strobe. It came with the set actually, the whole Trophy Wife set. So I'm gonna take this gloss. I'm gonna just in the center of my lips. So hi guys, this is the finished look. You can definitely use any lip shade you want guys. In fact, you can do the same eye look and you can do a bold lip. That way you have two looks. So yeah, that is what you can do. But I thought with the lower lash line shimmer eyeshadow that we use, this lip color tied up pretty good. So that is what I did. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try it on your own. So before leaving, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. Please comment down below what you thought of this video and what sort of videos you would like to see next on my channel. Well, yeah, so that's it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.